For today's topic of discussion will be the 10 commandments of investing that has been given to us by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. I'm sure you are all well aware of who he is and he requires no introduction, but this would just be our take on what we feel his 10 commandments are with a small explanation. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is always be an optimist. This basically means that once you have made your investment, always stay positive and remain optimistic in terms of your attitude, as it will take you a long way once your investments have been made. Number 2 is expect a realistic return. Do not be greedy or fearful. You should always follow your strategy, and at times when markets are high, if it is based on your plan, you should divest, and if markets are low, you should not sell off in a panic. And you should always try to have realistic expectations in mind when it comes to investing. Number 3 is caveat emptor, which is the Latin for buyer beware. Never forget this 4-letter word called risk. This basically means that one should understand their own risk appetite and what would give them sleepless nights or what would make them comfortable at the time of investing, and only absorb the amount of risk that you are comfortable with. Point number 4 is invest on broad parameters. This basically means look at the larger picture at hand and do not focus on minute bits of details. An example to help you understand this is that within the next year or two, since this pandemic has hit, one can comfortably say that the healthcare sector will face a boom. Reason being that once a vaccine is made available or some sort of treatment is made available, we will see a rise in this segment very clearly. The next point, being point number 5, is be disciplined. Never invest without having a game plan. The whole point of understanding which direction to move in is knowing where you are headed. If you make an investment without having a game plan, you will end up making a mess of your portfolio. Number 6, and one of the most important points, is be flexible. Because no matter how much one can plan, there will always be hurdles thrown in your direction that you will not be able to foresee. Just like the current pandemic, I don't think it was in anyone's mind that something of this scale and of this manner would be able to affect economies, markets, people, and everyone so deeply. The next point is contrarian investing. This basically means it's not a rule and it should not be ruled out. This means that, for example, one should not always avoid the road that is less traveled. Reason being that in the agricultural sector, there were handsome returns over the last 2 years, but it was a sector that was not pursued by most of the investors. So therefore, a contrarian approach at times can bring great value. Point number 8 is it's not important what price you buy at, but what you buy. Majority of the time and research and effort should go into understanding what the product it is that you are purchasing, rather than trying to find the right price of purchasing the right product. This brings us to point number 9, which is have conviction and be patient. This point basically means that there are times when your patience will be tested and put to the absolute limit, but one must not deter from the plan, and this conviction of yours will be rewarded in the long run if your strategy has been kept in mind. The 10th and final point is make exiting an investment an independent decision. This basically means that one should not merely exit an investment just because it is in profit or it is in loss. One should only exit the investment if it was part of the plan or if there is actually a requirement for capital at that point of time. I hope you enjoyed the 10 commandments of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala as explained by us. In case you have any comments or questions, please do add them in the comments box below. And in case you have any further queries, you can reach us on our website through the Contact Us panel. Thank you so much.